can start the session about file uploading. So how to upload a file in Java? Okay, I'll just share my screen. ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಬೇಕಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇದೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. So now guys, I'll just go and initialize the project first. You can do it to the existing one, but I'll do it from the start. If you have a CRUD application, what you have already did, if you have that, you can just initialize it there itself. I will share the session too. So here I'm going to write the project name as, here in the artifact I'll make sure to write, yes, was anyone trying to say something? Have anyone tried to say anything? Did anyone try to speak now? ಯಾರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? Yeah, okay. Here in the Spring Initializer, I will give the name here and I will add the 4 dependencies. MySQL, I have Spring GP, and I'll have Lambda. It is very easy. You can do it to an existing one. I cannot do to the existing one right now. I'll show how it's done from the start. ಸಂತೋಷ್ ನೀರು ತಂದಿದೆಯಾ? ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್. So I have added 4 the dependencies which will be required for the CRUD. I'll click generate. So once my file uploaded, right? So here just you have to work on the API to upload the file. So we'll go for the downloads. The only mistake you should avoid is that to extract the downloaded file. I have observed many times that you guys have always done mistakes in extracting a file after the download. So I have I'll extract it. I'll just extract it here only. Now I'll just open the file. Java file upload is my project. I'll just finish it. Now my application has been filled. It takes some time to build. Until it gets built, just give me few minutes. I'll come back having water. Some scan code in water can in water can. Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello. So now my file is ready, it has been built. Now I'll go here and I'll create one package. I'll create two packages in fact. One service and one controller. Package dot service, and I'll have, sorry, it got built here inside itself. I'll just delete new package service, and I'll create another package which is for the controller. So first I will write for the service class. So I'll go here and I'll make a new class, file, service. The first thing what I'm going to write is that I'm going to annotate with service, and inside this I'm going to write a function, public void upload file. So this is my function, and inside this I'm going to add a parameter which is multi-part file, which is an interface. Look here, you have this multi-part file and you have an object for it, so which is file. And here I have to write this file, this object file, right? File dot transfer to. Look here, you have this inbuilt method transfer to, and here what you have to do is that you have to give your path to your file where it should store. Suppose you upload a file, where it is going to upload. So what I will do is that I'll go for this E drive. In this E drive I'll create a new folder, Control Shift N, and I'm going to write name here. Can anyone tell me a relevant file name? Can you suggest? File name ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾರಾದರೂ? So this is my file name. Okay, I will open this. It is empty. This is the file what I have created now. Now here I am going to copy this path, and this path I am going to place it here. This is E file, and here what I have to do, I have to add extra, which is \s2, and here I have to attach it plus. Well, I think I have did completely wrong. That is why it's showing me error. In transfer to, I have to create new file, new file, and inside this file I have to give the path. Sorry for that. Here I am going to give path, and here again I'll add two backslashes and a plus operator, and then I am going to write file dot get original file name. Whatever the file name it has, it is going to be shown there. And as you can see, there are lot of errors here. Like lot means the whole line has been caught with error. So I will write this exceptional handling. Tomorrow I will take session about exceptional handling. So now I will write here how to handle a file uploading exception. Throws illegal state, illegal state exception and IO exception. So once if I do this, now my service class I have a function. Now I'll go create one controller class. File controller. And inside this, first thing what I have to do, I have to write I have to annotate with REST controller. REST controller. And inside this, I'm going to write one method, public void upload file. Public void upload file. And here at the top, I'm going to map it post mapping. Post mapping. And here what I'm going to do is that I have to pass something, right? I'm going to pass the file what I'm going to pick. So here I have to write first, if it is a pass, right, I'll be writing request body. But here what I'll be writing request param, a request parameter, request param. And here inside this parameter name will be file, file file. And here I have to give the same multi-part file interface and the object of it. So now inside this I have to make use of the service object. First I have to auto wire it. File service, an object for this file service, and I should annotate with auto wire. Now I have to use this object file service dot upload file, and inside this file it is nothing but this thing. And if I save it, you can see error. So I should handle the error using exception handling. Throws illegal. Tomorrow I will explain about exception handling, illegal state exception, comma, and IO exception is nothing but input output exception. So now error has been removed. Now I'll run my application. Run as sorry, I forgot to writing about this application properties. So I'll take anyone which is old. It is application properties. Control A, Control C, Control V. I'll just give a random name. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will save it and I'll run it again. Java file upload. And as Spring Boot app. ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡು. ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೋ, ಇದು ರೈಟು ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟು. ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೋ, ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೂ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡು. ಅಥವಾ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ 50% ಅಂತ ಹಾಕು, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 50% ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ Tomcat started on 8080. So I'll go for the postman. So here I did post mapping, let it be post mapping, and here it should be localhost. I'll just select this localhost. I'll go for the body, and here I'll click on the form data, and here key will be file, file file, and here I have to select file. Once you choose this, here you are able to click the select files. Now I told you before, here in this read file, the name given by Gayatri, it is empty right now, right? Deepa, Saraswati and Gayatri, can you look? This file is empty. What I have created now in the E drive, read file, it is empty. Now what I will do, I will select a file here. I'll select it from pictures, or else I'll go for this PC. Look inside this PC, I'll go for this pictures and I'll go selected pictures and I'll select this. Now I have chose this and selected. This is the selected file. Now I'll click on send. Can you see here? You can see 200 success. Okay. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ 200 ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಸು. Now if I open this read file, this is the read file, right? Look here, download. This is the image what I have selected. This is nothing but file upload. ಇದು API ನಾನು ರಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು APIನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಫೈಲು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ they can choose like this, and if they send post 200 success, it is going to store where you want it to store. Only thing is that here in place of this I will be giving the server address. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಲೋಕಲ್ ಮಿಷನಲ್ಲೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. In place of this I am going to write a server path here. That is the only difference. So ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ file name read file ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ. So what Gayatri told was read file, there is an image. Now I will go and I will send it again. So I will just cancel it and again I will select it. At this time I will select Redux, open, send. 200 success. Now if I open my file, already it is there, a read file, and here you can see Redux. So this is very easy, uploading a file. This is how you do it. You have a controller class and you have a file service class, and this, if you have already an application which you did on CRUD, all you have to do is that write one controller class and one service class, and you add one functionality. You have to write parameters which are multi-part file interface and an object, and if you find any error here, you should go there. This get original file name is that when you upload a file, it should be stored in the same name. That is what get original file name. This is an inbuilt method. So if flow ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾ? This is very easy. Uploading a file, this is easy. If you have already a project which you have initialized to work on CRUD, you just go there. All you have to do is that just create a controller class like file controller. You add this function. For this function to happen, write one service class. ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಪ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಮನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ ವೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ upload file slash server slash cloud. So it is running on port 8080. Look here, port 8080. ನೀವು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ API ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಈ API ಹಾಕಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಮೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಡೇಟಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ selecting option is in form, right? This is form data file, and here you have to select file, then you will have the option select file. You will select ಮಾಡಿ. postmanally how to test for uploading a file, and this is how you have to do it. Select Java, I mean you can select whatever the file. I'm selecting image. You can select a particular document. I'll click open. So now it has been taken here. I'll click send. 200 success. Okay. So if you go for this read file now, you can see Java has been added. So this is how you check to upload a file using Postman. Postman ಇಂದ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಡಿಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೀಗೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ few different exceptional handling in Java. Tomorrow I will show in which case scenario you have to use that particular exceptions. For now, today is about how to upload a file. I'll share the video. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ನೀವೇ ಒಂದು ಡ್ರೈವಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ API ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ API you can write anything. You can write this API anything, but once you do this, once the initialize started, for uploading file you have to here key, you go for body, no raw, you should go file, you have this option text or file, select file, you will have the value here, select the file, send. If 200 status shows okay, go and check the file what you have created is new one. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಗಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ವಿತ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಿಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್.